Hi guys, it's Clayton from the Wenatchee Valley Museum again, and here I'm back, you guessed it, with another instructional video. And today we're going to be making kazoos. Now real quick, like always, I'll go over all the materials and tools. You're going to need a pair of scissors, like a plastic straw, 2 popsicle sticks, and 3 rubber bands. But make sure 2 of your rubber bands are the smaller ones, and you have 1 thicker rubber band. Alright, so real quick, what you're going to want to do is grab your straw. And with your scissors, you're going to cut off a piece that's about roughly 1 inch long. I have those done already. So here are my 2 pieces. Not very hard. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set those aside, and we're going to grab our larger rubber band compared to the other 2. And you're just going to wrap it end from end on 1 popsicle stick. Just like that. Make sure, you guys probably can't see, but I have mine centered pretty evenly. If you have it centered or not centered off to one side or the other, it might come off while using. So make sure you guys have them centered when you go to put it on. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our piece of straw. On one side, it does not matter, you're going to insert your piece of straw underneath the rubber band, just like this. And make sure you give yourself some room. It's so far away from the end so you can wrap another rubber band later on. Alright, and that's pretty simple. Now it's hugged in place. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the other one. And with our hands, we're just going to hold it roughly where we would like it. Okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect at all. So now we're going to grab the other popsicle stick, and we're just going to pretty much sandwich them together. Just hold it in place for now. Yep, just like so. Now, make sure your pieces of straw that you have poking out, there's evens amount on each end. And once you have that done, what you're going to do is, you're going to grab your smaller rubber bands and you're going to go ahead and wrap them around here. Okay guys, so I have my rubber band secured around the end of my popsicle sticks. As you can see, they're kind of closer to pieces of straw. You don't want them off on the end because then that could result in them coming untied. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap the other rubber band around this end real quick. Alright, and just like that, our kazoo is all finished. Now, if you would like, you can grab some tape or markers or crayons, whatever you'd like, and you can decorate this. I'm going to leave mine as is, and we're going to go ahead and test it out. Sounds like it works. Okay guys, well, I hope that all made sense. Hope to see all you guys again, and I hope you guys are enjoying quarantine. Bye guys.